Welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll guide you through enabling the Signal Interest to Recruiters feature on the LinkedIn mobile app. This feature allows you to privately express interest in working for a company. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile icon located at the top left. Then, scroll down and tap on Settings. From there, choose the option called Data Privacy. Scroll down and find the option labeled Signal Your Interest to Recruiters at companies you have created job alerts for. Finally, toggle the switch to turn on this feature. By enabling this setting, you allow recruiters from companies where you've set up job alerts to see your interest in working with them, even if there are no current job openings. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.